What we feel we've unlocked with software is moving more on the planning horizon, where you're looking at a year out, even long-term 10-year forecast planning. We've built out the capabilities to have a 5-year look back on DLR across an entire network, and being able to say, these are the trends, these are the seasonal trends, here's what would have happened on your peak day in July when there was an ISO congestion issue. So what we have seen practically and how that can be used is having that look back and being able to say, okay, I'm interested in a maintenance window on this particular line or in this area. Being able to say, we believe based on our data, based on historical weather, you would be able to extend that window, say from just October into November. And so you went from a 4-week to an 8-week window. Then you have that operational data where you're looking forward and you kind of marry the two and say, yes, the wind is doing what we expect, or no, it's not, let's make a different decision. And it starts to affect that ability to see capacity and kind of marry the timescales in an effective and safe way.